Khurumjari.
Namaskar.
I am T.H. Pratibha Devi, a trainee of second semester from Diet Kachar, Assam.
And myself, S. Indrajit Singha, a trainee of the fourth semester from Diet Kachar Assam. On behalf of the Cell for the Cultural Resources and Training, Diet Kachar, we have come up with our Manipuri audio magazine titled Yening Hunba. Yening Hunba holds a special meaning. It signifies the time when the dry season ends and the new saplings begin to grow, symbolizing renewal, hope, and the fresh beginnings. In this audio magazine, we have included mainly three categories of the contents: poems, short stories, and songs which reverberate the intricacies of the Manipuri culture.
Through this audio magazine, we hope that the young learners will get to know about our rich cultural heritage, which is unique to Barak Valley, and develop interest in exploring more for enriching each other's culture. Since this is in electronic format, we hope the listeners and learners from across the world would access it and contribute as and when required. Happy for listening.
ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯃꯛꯇꯗ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯈꯨꯔꯨꯝꯖꯔꯤ. Hi everyone, my name is Aruna Singha. I am a DLED 4th semester trainee of Diet Kachar Udharbon. It gives me great joy to be here today. Now I am going to sing a Manipuri song. Name of the song is Ima Gishu Ima, which is a heartfelt tribute to the love and sacrifice of a mother and the deep emotional bond between a child and their mother. Ima Gishu Ima is a deep love and gratitude towards mother song. Let's start. Aroiba mihulda mangdringai halaktu naing jagi Aroiba mi kupsu Jinglon kaya ipa kaya landuna su Lutongda adumak lingdana chili chil Nangi lehaudagi semkhiba angang pairik singna Punsi sinthai thaudang ikokta hapli Chang dam ningai leitrabana gul amadi Lotu na leiri taibang malim lagta Chang dam ningai leitrabana gul amadi Lotu na leiri taibang malim lagta Ima gishu ima nang ni Manipur Ima gishu ima nang ni Manipur Khoiri naufam Takhibana tambaktani Ri ra ri re ra Ri ra ri re ra Jingdam biki Mahai marong Nangi laubuktagi Harau tayamna Chena chongna Sanaki sanaki na sai gonda Sanaki sanaki na sai gonda Nungshibada changdam ningai leitraba Ima gishu ima Ima gishu ima Ri ra ri re ra ri ra ri re ra, ri ra ri re ra, ri ra ri re ra. Thagachari. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Naj Fatima Begum, a second semester DLED trainee from Diet Kasar Udarbon. Today I am going to narrate a very special poem. It is the first sonnet in Manipuri literature written by Arambam Dharendrajit Singha. This beautiful poem expresses the idea that the lives of those who perform good deeds never fade away. Their life becomes immortal through their noble actions. Sriti Waraba punsisina muna yenglammi matam kaubi ipaki nungna koiba khongwanda pikna hakliba mayek laba mayida masak khangge tanduna muna yenglammi cheli tatpa naidana ipom chawna ichenna kanna yeirami nungpak singna laibado laknai hotnai muthatke mayek singna tabado sukmut mutlu yaramde heli thoina langbana hanna muktang yengduna mayektuna laurakhi khonjenduna haubana irau khonbu namhatki miyoi pokki laisingi afathaugi manine mangfadraba fambanda khilamlaba urongne biswa taibang panbana kapna loikini nungda iba aikhoina nokna laihoni.
Namaskar, I am L. Vijayta Devi. I am going to present a Manipuri poem titled Lomi. Before I begin, I would like to share a brief introduction to the poem. The poem Lomi portrays the tireless labor of farmers as they nurture their fields with patience and devotion. When they see the crops growing fully, their hearts are filled with happiness and hope. The poem expresses their joy and expectation of a good harvest. Now, I will recite the poem. I hope you enjoy it. Lomi. Ahingi matamna loirakpada inung taina ngalaki kwakna lanbao chilaki charuina titu khongbada yakairakli lomi su ayuk yenda anganba malangna liri khongdoire korona khongkap tamlakpa lomi na kauren hoiduna lawbuk maikei tamlakle langgol yotlam thaduna lau sintha pai khare alen nungsa marakta inga ingen nonglakta nungju nongkhaki rude awa ana khalude wakhal hena chauthokna sintha isai saktuna laupata lahon tha khare langban nungsagi mairi lakta uthumna sisak nambada wakhal pukning tekhatna hena thoina haraujai nungaiba mityang phaurak-i poinugi lobuk ugani sana charong chumlani phaugai chonna paigani awa ana koklani awat apa leiraroi nungai yaifaba phanglani lomi oibagi punsida. Thank you.
Khurumzari Mayambo. Hello everyone, I am Krishnam Purnima. Today I am going to narrate a story titled Maitai Nupi, written by S. Krishnamohan Singha. This story highlights the strength, courage and power of Manipuri women, showing how they play an important role in society. So let me begin the story. Maitai Nupi. ꯑꯄꯣꯛꯄꯤ ꯄꯂꯦꯝꯁꯛꯄꯤ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯋꯥꯔꯦꯡꯕꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯊꯤꯠꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯖꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯃꯀꯣꯛ ꯂꯩꯇꯥꯅ ꯈꯨꯔꯨꯝꯖꯔꯤ꯫ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯃꯒꯨꯟ ꯆꯩꯊꯥꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯣꯏꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ꯫ ꯄꯂꯦꯝꯁꯛꯄꯤ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯃꯟ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯄꯣꯛ ꯆꯥꯝꯃꯔꯛ ꯄꯣꯛꯇꯨꯅꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯡꯕ ꯉꯝꯂꯣꯏ꯫ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤꯁꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯕꯨ ꯈꯨꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯜꯂꯕ ꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯕꯨ ꯐꯨ ꯆꯩꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯣꯜꯂꯛꯂꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯁꯨ ꯃꯑꯣꯡ ꯇꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯁꯥꯍꯦꯕꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯨꯝ ꯃꯩꯊꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯅꯤꯄꯥꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯌꯨꯝꯁꯤꯡꯍꯟꯕ ꯇꯝꯊꯤꯔꯕ ꯆꯩꯔꯥꯛ ꯄꯤꯈꯤ꯫ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯆꯤꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯅꯤꯄꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯏꯖꯠꯄꯨ ꯀꯟꯈꯤ꯫ ꯈ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯇ 1959ꯗ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯇꯥꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛꯀ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯅ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯁꯤꯄꯥꯍꯤ ꯁꯪꯒꯤꯠ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯆꯣꯡꯁꯤꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯤꯜꯗ ꯆꯦꯡ ꯇꯛꯄ ꯊꯤꯡꯖꯤꯟꯈꯤ꯫ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ
ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗ ꯆꯦꯡ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯇꯣꯛꯍꯟꯈꯤ꯫ ꯅꯤꯁꯥ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯍꯩꯅꯕꯤ ꯆꯨꯁꯤꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯤꯄꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯀꯟꯅꯕ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯥꯡ ꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯧꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯊꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯀꯣꯛꯍꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯇꯠꯇꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯤ꯫ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯤ ꯆꯥꯡꯗꯝꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯇꯕꯤ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯤ ꯔꯥꯃꯥꯌꯟ ꯃꯍꯥꯚꯥꯔꯠꯇ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯊꯤꯕ ꯐꯪꯂꯣꯏ꯫ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯨꯡ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯊꯅ ꯉꯟꯇꯥ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯔꯝꯕꯟ ꯀꯩꯊꯦꯜ ꯀꯥꯗꯨꯅ ꯐꯤꯔꯣꯜ ꯌꯣꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯆꯥꯕꯨ ꯑꯋꯥꯡꯕ ꯊꯥꯛꯇ ꯃꯍꯩ ꯇꯝꯍꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯕꯤ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯅꯤ꯫ ꯃꯄꯨꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯀꯥꯏꯅꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯤ ꯂꯨꯈ꯭ꯔꯥꯕꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯆꯥꯕꯨ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯕ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯃꯆꯦꯠ ꯇꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯆꯦꯠ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯉꯝꯕꯤ ꯑꯈꯥꯡ ꯀꯟꯕꯤ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯅꯤ꯫ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯑꯌꯨꯛ ꯆꯥꯛꯉꯟ ꯆꯥꯗꯨꯅ ꯗꯣꯂꯥꯟ ꯁꯥꯕꯗ ꯁꯣꯔꯣꯛ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯉꯝꯕꯤ ꯅꯣꯝꯕ ꯀꯟꯕꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯀꯥꯡꯂꯨꯞꯅꯤ꯫ ꯄꯥꯠꯇ ꯀꯨꯝꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯥꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯉꯥ ꯇꯤꯛꯅꯔꯒ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯀꯩꯊꯦꯜꯗ ꯉꯥ ꯌꯣꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯦꯟꯗꯣꯡ ꯇꯥꯜꯂꯤ꯫ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯋꯥꯏꯊꯧ ꯁꯒꯣꯜ ꯀꯧꯕꯗ ꯅꯣꯛꯊꯣꯛꯄꯁꯨ ꯉꯝꯃꯤ꯫ ꯁꯨꯐꯝ ꯆꯠꯐꯝ ꯈꯪꯂꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯕꯤ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯆꯤꯡꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯂꯣꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯤꯡꯅꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯅꯔꯤ꯫ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯗꯣꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯃꯤꯔꯝꯗ ꯆꯠꯇꯨꯅ ꯀꯔꯕꯥꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ꯫ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯨ ꯅꯣꯝꯕ ꯇꯟꯗꯦ, ꯃꯆꯤꯟꯖꯥꯛꯀꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯕꯤꯈꯥ ꯅꯤꯗꯦ꯫ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯏꯕ ꯍꯩꯕ ꯑꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤ ꯃꯍꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯐꯤꯗꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗ ꯃꯔꯤꯛ ꯆꯨꯝꯅ ꯏꯕꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯖꯥꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯍꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯒꯤ ꯑꯊꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯆꯥꯛ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯃꯆꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯒꯠꯄꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯖꯥꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯂꯩꯒꯅꯤ꯫ Thank you everyone for your kind attention.
Hello everyone, myself S. Rohit Kumar Singha, a DLED trainee of 4th semester from Dait Kachar, Udharbon. Today, I am going to narrate a story titled Sanabada Manipuri Singh, written by Laisangthem Ajit Singha. The story highlights the rich tradition of sports in Manipur. It describes some of the indigenous games that have been an integral part of Manipuri society for centuries. Among them, Sagol Kangje, the original form of modern polo, holds a special place. This game, played with ponies, originated in Manipur and later caught the attention of the British, who took it to the wider world, eventually shaping it into the international game of polo. Along with this, the British also introduced certain new sports to Manipur, creating an exchange of culture and games. Thus, Manipur became not only a land of traditional sports but also a place where modern and indigenous games blended, enriching its sporting heritage. Sanabada Manipuri Singh Sana khonnabana khunai amagi masak takpaga loinana khunai cha singi hakchang amadi wakhalgi pangal hengathalli. Manipurda thainangaidagi sanaraklaba masana singna Manipuri khunai gi phidam ningai oiraba chatnarol singbu masak taki. Jati asigi lu tongda loinaduna laklaba sana khonnabagi gun singna antarjatigi thakta lamdam sigi sanaroi singna athoiba oiraktuna Manipuri khunai bu malemda masak takpa ngamle. Yelongaidagi leiraklaba Manipur gi masana singdi Sagol Kangjai, Mukna, Mukna Kangjai, Hiang, Kang, Thangta, Yubi Lakpi, Sarit Sarak, Nunghunba, Ten Kapa, Nungjau Thangatpa asina chingbani. Angang singi top topa masana makhal hairabadi Khutlokpi, Ulaubi, Kayen, Phibul Habi, Chetek Kotpi asina chingbasu leiraki. Manipuri singi masana singasi Lining Laison amadi Sa Langa Naknaba Mari Laini. Masana singi nungi oiba wakhalon sulay. Ariba masana makhal kaya matamgi iron nungda lupkrabasu Sagol Kangjai na Manipur bu malemda sak takli. Ningthau Kangba na panba matamda Manipur da Sagol Kangjai sanaba hawi haiba wari sulayri. Masigi tungda pankhiba ningthau singna masana asibu mathang yokhat lakhi. Masana asibu British singna Manipur dagi tamkhiduna malem thungna sandokhi. Manipur gi tampaki jila singda lup semduna tournament tawduna masana asibu thaugatli. Mukna haiba masana asisu ningthau palingai matamdagi sanaraklabani. Mukna gi technique pu low kawi. Masana asi hojikti raijagi thakta lup kaya thokna athoi ahen tanabagi thaurang chathai. Amaromda Mukna Kangjai haibasisu nipa thokpa masana ni. Masana asi hojikti thoina sanadare. Karigumbada lai haraubagi thauramga mari leinana khungangi naharol singna sanaba yawi. Jahi khudingi langban thada Sri Vijay Govindagi Thangapata Haikru Hidongbagi Hiyang Tanai. Manipur gi ariba masana singi manungda ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯝꯅꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯁꯥꯟꯅ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯀꯥꯡꯅꯤ꯫ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯣꯝ ꯂꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯆꯨꯔꯥꯆꯥꯟ ꯁꯤꯡꯍꯅ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯅꯣꯡꯆꯨꯞꯂꯣꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯥꯟꯅ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯈꯤ꯫ ꯏꯪꯔꯦꯖꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯄꯨꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯁꯥꯟꯅꯁꯤꯡꯗꯤ ꯐꯨꯠꯕꯣꯜ, ꯍꯣꯀꯤ, ꯇꯦꯅꯤꯁ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯑꯦꯊꯂꯦꯇꯤꯛꯅꯤ꯫ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯁꯥꯟꯅꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯒ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯨꯁꯤꯟꯅꯕꯗꯤ ꯍꯣꯀꯤꯅꯤ꯫ ꯏꯪꯔꯦꯖꯤ 1963ꯇ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯍꯣꯀꯤ ꯑꯦꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯁꯟ ꯁꯦꯝꯗꯨꯅ ꯖꯥꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯆꯦꯝꯄꯤꯌꯟꯁꯤꯞꯇ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯇꯤꯝꯅ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯚꯥꯔꯠꯀꯤ ꯇꯤꯝꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯈꯟꯕꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯍꯧꯈꯤ꯫ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯕꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯑꯔꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯥꯡꯒꯠꯄꯗ ꯑꯟꯇꯔꯖꯥꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯛꯇ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯂꯦ꯫ ꯑꯔꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯥꯡꯒꯠꯄꯗ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯦꯗꯜ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯤ ꯀꯨꯟꯖꯔꯥꯅꯤ ꯗꯦꯕꯤꯕꯨ ꯏꯪꯔꯦꯖꯤ 1930ꯗ ꯑꯔꯖꯨꯟ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ 1933ꯗ ꯔꯥꯖꯤꯚ ꯒꯥꯟꯙꯤ ꯈꯦꯜ ꯔꯠꯅ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯄꯤꯈꯤ꯫ ꯑꯟꯇꯔꯖꯥꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯛꯇ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯔꯨꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯃꯁꯥꯟꯅ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯁꯦꯄꯥꯛ ꯇꯦꯀ꯭ꯔꯣꯅꯤ꯫ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯀꯌꯥꯒ ꯃꯁꯥꯟꯅ ꯀꯌꯥꯗ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯄꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯊꯋꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯗꯨ ꯎꯔꯒ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯟ ꯑꯣꯂꯤꯝꯄꯤꯛ ꯑꯦꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯁꯟꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯒꯦꯝꯁ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯌꯥꯕ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯈꯤ꯫ ꯏꯪꯔꯦꯖꯤ 1939ꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯕ꯭ꯔꯨꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 13ꯗꯒꯤ 15 ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯒꯦꯝꯁ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤ꯫ ꯒꯦꯝꯁ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯅ ꯚꯥꯔꯠꯀꯤ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯔꯥꯖ꯭ꯌꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯃꯥꯏꯊꯤꯕ ꯄꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯇꯤꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯊꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯔꯥꯖꯥ ꯕꯂꯤꯟꯗꯔ ꯁꯤꯡꯍ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯐꯤ ꯂꯧꯈꯤ꯫ Thank you everyone for patiently listening to the story till the end.
Khurumjari, myself, Laurembam Sima Singha, a second semester student of Diet Kasar Udharbon. Today, I am going to recite a gorgeous poem called Kabi, written by Khairuddin Chowdhury. He was a Manipuri Muslim poet of Barak Valley, Assam. He had written many books, including 6 books of poems like Minok Pirangi Mitkuk, Adhunik Manipuri Kabitagi Bangla Anubad, and one of his poem Kabi, Witch Poet. This poem described the poet as a divine messenger of truth and beauty. A poet inspires people, reflects nature and his creation's life forever in the hearts of society. Sayreng asi paba haujarage. Sayrengi maming Kabi. Khurumjari nahakpu katchari bhakti malemda leiduna sargada koiba ngamba nandan leikongi parijat leihi chupna gun khibikna leitinglaba ibungo nahakpu kalaknari nahakpu amritagi devasingna yekpiri nahakna sargagi drishya kaya ningthibana pukning hunafam miyoibagi pothafam nahakki khorjaina piba paujenda aram khaurangba kaunari miyoibana devagi kuchu sangjai leibaki hakchangda kalpanagi dolaida sargada koire khurumjari nahakpu devdut ibungo aram khaurangbana kanglaba chinbanda amitagi laija khikpiba he kabi nahakpu deva haibada haimanba thokpara minungsi paktraba jagatki phambakta nahakki sairengi amitta wahaina pirangi jagatta minungsi purai he jagatkidi athoiba mipoktadi laipokni nahakna koidaba karamba lamdam lei sargada patalda saharda chingjauda songlaba umangda samudra torbanda au uda pumnamak yekpiri nahakna pibiri amambada anganbagi masek he jagatki chitrakar amittagi devdut nahakpu devdut haibada haimanbra. Thank you.
Khuramjari Mayambu. Myself, Lairenjam Ravina. I will narrate a story titled Manipuri Lok Sahitya, written by Asangba Minaketan. It is about the folk literature of Manipur, showing the richness of our culture and also telling about the past society where men were given more importance than women. Now let's begin the story. Manipuri Lok Sahitya. Manipur Chingi Palonungda Naitom Nganjabi Ningthirabi Leibakni. Leibak asigi phajababu urubada Lord Arunna Bharat ki Switzerland ni haina singtharami. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru nasu Nongpok Bharat ki Kashmir haina thagatlami. Leibak asigi inat machau khat amadi Lok Sahitya ngaknaphamgi masakni. Nagar Rajya Singi Marakta Athoiba Oiramba Kege Moirangi Maru Oiraba Lok Sahitya gi Machang Oiba Wari Matangasida Waring Banapalli Moirang Leikoibungda Matamamada Nipa Khuding Laloi Oirami Lanphamna Punsi Chaktapham Oirami Tangdu Leitaba Punsi Leramde ꯅꯤꯄꯥꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯊꯋꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯅꯥꯄꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯅꯤꯄꯥ ꯅꯣꯡꯃ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯒꯤ ꯃꯉꯥꯜ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯍꯤꯡꯂꯝꯃꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯅ ꯅꯣꯡꯃ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯒꯤ ꯃꯉꯥꯜ ꯁꯤꯊꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯕꯤ ꯍꯩ ꯂꯩꯒꯨꯝ ꯆꯤꯅꯤꯡꯕꯅ ꯄꯪꯆꯤꯟ ꯆꯤꯜꯂꯝꯃꯤ ꯍꯦꯛꯅꯤꯡꯕꯅ ꯄꯪꯍꯦꯛ ꯍꯦꯛꯂꯝꯃꯤ ꯃꯃꯥ ꯃꯄꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯆꯥꯕꯨ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯏꯐꯐꯝꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯀꯠꯊꯣꯛꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯅꯤꯄꯥꯗ ꯀꯠꯊꯣꯛꯂꯝꯃꯤ ꯅꯤꯄꯥꯒꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯟꯕꯒꯨꯝ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯄꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯤ ꯈꯟꯕꯤꯔꯝꯗꯦ ꯌꯨꯒꯀꯤ ꯌꯥꯑꯣꯜ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯂꯥꯟꯅ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯀꯞ ꯃꯤꯔꯥꯎꯈꯣꯜ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯐꯪꯈꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥ ꯃꯤꯀꯞ ꯈꯣꯜ ꯇꯥꯔꯨꯕꯗ ꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯁꯩꯕ ꯃꯩꯗꯤꯡꯒꯣꯜ ꯃꯣꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯆꯅꯨꯔꯥꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯀꯜꯂꯒꯦ ꯂꯦꯞꯈꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯃꯃꯥꯡ ꯆꯠꯈꯤ ꯑꯀꯣꯡꯖꯥꯝꯕ ꯐꯋꯣꯏꯕꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯁꯥꯏꯑꯣꯜ 8ꯀꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯂꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯇꯥꯍꯟꯕ ꯍꯧꯈꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕ ꯃꯍꯧꯁꯥꯅꯤ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕꯅ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯦꯝꯅꯤ ꯃꯍꯧꯁꯥꯅ ꯁꯔꯒꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯦꯝꯅ ꯇꯥꯏꯕꯪꯒꯤꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯁꯩꯕꯅ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯇꯥꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯩ ꯑꯁꯩꯕꯅ ꯂꯤꯈꯤꯕ ꯐꯋꯣꯏꯕꯤ ꯑꯀꯣꯡꯖꯥꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯄꯔꯤꯡꯗꯤ ꯁꯖꯤꯕꯨ ꯊꯥꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯖꯤꯟꯗ ꯑꯀꯣꯡꯖꯥꯝꯕꯅ ꯇꯣꯔꯕꯨꯡ ꯂꯝꯖꯥꯎꯗ ꯁꯗꯥꯜꯂꯤꯉꯩ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯐꯋꯣꯏꯕꯤꯒ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯈꯤ ꯐꯋꯣꯏꯕꯤꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯍꯧꯖꯔꯨꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯟꯌꯥꯏꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯂꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯛꯎ ꯇꯥꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯆꯟꯕꯤꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯈꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯈꯤꯕ ꯋꯥ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯐꯋꯣꯏꯕꯤꯅ ꯑꯀꯣꯡ ꯃꯔꯟꯌꯥꯏꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯨꯕꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯀꯣꯡ ꯃꯥꯒ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯈꯤꯗꯦ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯅꯅ ꯑꯍꯤꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯔꯦꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯉꯥꯏꯔꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯑꯄꯥꯝ ꯃꯥꯒ ꯐꯪꯅꯈꯤꯗꯦ ꯑꯀꯣꯟꯕꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯑꯀꯣꯡ ꯈꯣꯡꯒꯨꯜ ꯂꯤꯔꯨꯕꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯝꯂꯝꯂꯒꯦ ꯈꯟꯅ ꯑꯀꯣꯡ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯨꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯇꯥꯏ ꯅꯣꯡꯗꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯅꯦꯠ ꯂꯩꯅ ꯖꯒꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯗꯨꯅ ꯐꯧꯅ ꯆꯤꯡꯒꯨꯝ ꯋꯥꯡꯅ ꯄꯩꯔꯝꯂꯒ ꯑꯋꯥꯡ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯅ ꯐꯋꯣꯏꯕꯤ ꯈꯣꯡꯁꯥꯟꯈꯤ ꯇꯥꯂꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯀꯣꯡꯖꯥꯝꯕꯁꯨ ꯃꯔꯟꯌꯥꯏꯗ ꯇꯝꯂꯛꯈꯤ ꯐꯋꯣꯏꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯚꯝ ꯎꯔꯨꯕꯗ ꯈꯪꯅꯤꯡ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯂꯛꯈꯤ ꯁꯒꯣꯜ ꯇꯣꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯐꯋꯣꯏꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯡꯒꯨꯜ ꯂꯤꯈꯤꯕꯗ ꯇꯝꯐꯥ ꯂꯧꯀꯣꯟꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯈꯤ ꯑꯀꯣꯡꯖꯥꯝꯕꯅ ꯐꯋꯣꯏꯕꯤꯕꯨ ꯍꯜꯂꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯐꯥꯟꯈꯣꯡ ꯄꯥꯏ ꯐꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯄꯥꯝ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯈꯝꯂꯒ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯌꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡ ꯄꯔꯩ ꯆꯦꯠꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯈꯣꯡꯂꯤꯔꯎ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕꯅ ꯈꯝꯂꯕ ꯀꯥꯟ ꯈꯝꯕ ꯀꯧꯅ ꯆꯪꯂꯛꯎ ꯊꯣꯏꯅ ꯋꯥꯡꯅ ꯂꯩꯖꯕꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯐꯋꯣꯏꯕꯤ ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯊꯣꯏꯕꯤ ꯀꯧꯅ ꯑꯣꯛꯆꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯎꯃꯦꯜꯂꯝꯂꯒ ꯐꯋꯣꯏꯕꯤ ꯍꯟꯈꯤ ꯑꯃꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯁꯪꯁꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯠ ꯁꯥꯍꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯀꯕꯤ ꯀꯥꯂꯤꯗꯥꯁꯅ ꯑꯚꯤꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯁꯀꯨꯟꯇꯂꯝꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯈꯜ ꯇꯝꯕꯗ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯄꯛꯂꯨꯕ ꯗꯨꯁꯃꯟꯇꯕꯨ ꯃꯄꯣꯛꯇꯨꯃꯇꯪ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯁꯆꯤꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯀꯣꯛꯍꯟꯈꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯀꯦꯒꯦ ꯑꯁꯩꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯀꯣꯡꯖꯥꯝꯕ ꯐꯋꯣꯏꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯗ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯆꯪꯂꯨꯕ ꯑꯀꯣꯡꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯆꯠꯄꯨ ꯃꯄꯣꯛ ꯀꯌꯥꯃꯩ ꯏꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯁꯆꯤꯠ ꯇꯧꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕ ꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯟꯊꯣꯛꯂꯕ ꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯈꯝꯕ ꯊꯣꯏꯕꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯑꯣꯟꯗ ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯨꯡꯅꯍꯟꯈꯤ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯪꯁꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯠ ꯁꯥꯍꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯗ ꯀꯥꯂꯤꯗꯥꯁꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯝꯒꯤ ꯄꯧꯔꯍꯤꯇ꯭ꯌ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯒ ꯑꯁꯩꯕ ꯃꯩꯗꯤꯡꯒꯣꯜꯅ ꯃꯤꯇꯩꯂꯣꯛ ꯁꯥꯍꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯧꯔꯍꯤꯇ꯭ꯌ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯡꯕ ꯊꯥꯛꯀꯤꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯏ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯕꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ
Hello everyone, my name is T. Pranoy Kumar Singha, a 4th semester trainee from Dait Kachar Udarbon. Today, I am going to recite a beautiful poem titled Palim Ima, which means mother. This poem is about the love and sacrifice of a mother, how she carries us in her womb for 9 months, bring us into this world, teaches us to walk, and show us the beauty of life. She is our first guide, our caretaker, and our greatest blessings. Through this poem, I wish to express my love, gratitude, and respect to all mothers. Palim Ima Thabum tara naupurak cheksin na senabirakpa taibangi phajaba kaya su khanghallibi uhallibi ha de ima nungsibi ima tabu saithajage ima tabu ningjage ima gi akhangkan bi na tauna malemda saithanaribani ima tabu senabikhini nacha oibai khoibu kadaida soikhigedage haina khongthang khuding ima gi khongthangi mamida chachagi nacha oibai khoisu khut paiduna haina khongthang tambibasu imani awaba kayana langoi chansilasu mai thongi mamon minoktana ikaiba piba ngambasu imagi minoktani. Ima nangi pukseldi kauba ngamloi. Imagi tampakta nachasingna chen chongduna sanajari makai. Nachasingi mittadi imabu yengjarasu uzarasu yengbagi pennaide. Ima haiba ima se lacharasu mutnaide. Hainai malem imana lumbra palem imana marumi. Thank you everyone. I hope you enjoy my recitation of Palemima and felt the deep love and care that every mother gives us.
Hello everyone, I am H.B.M. Chanu, a second semester student from District Institute of Education and Training, Diet Kachar, located in Udharbon, Assam. Today, I am very excited to share with you a beautiful poem called Imalon, which means mother tongue, written by Henbam Rajit, a renowned Manipuri poet known for his thought-provoking writing that often reflect the rich cultural landscape of his homeland. His book, Kaitharaba Yumpham, published in 2014, showcases his mastery of Manipuri poetry. I will be reciting Imalon, a piece that embodies the spirit of Manipur and its people. Please join me in this journey through the world of Manipuri poetry as we explore the themes, emotion, and imaginary that Sir Henbam Rajit so skillfully weaves into his work. Let's immerse ourselves in the beauty of Imalon. Imalon, Nungshi Imabu Nungshi, Nungshi Imalon, Taringai Penba Leite, Imagi Nungshiba Konjel. Manglan Taibang Mafam Kudin, Imalon Ga Hinjage, Imanangi Komlang Laman, Tawaiwan Sinjage, Nungshi Egi Imalon, Nungshi, Nangbu Nungshi. Imalon Ngangba Kudin, Ichin Inauni Kanchi, Nungshi Ima, Nungshiyu lon, ima lon bu nungshiyu. Yaifabini egi ima, malem fongna lebiyu. Ima lon miraibasing, pangli unthokna pangli, mama masak khangdabana karem minok nangli. Wata padabi imani, mirai na khak khangano. Iri khong pulli bani, ima lon bu kaugano. As the poet once says, ima lon ngangba khudin, ichin inauni khansi, which means those who speak the same mother tongue through embraced their shared heritage, they should view each other as brother and sister, united by language and culture. That's all. Thank you for listening me.
Khurumjari, I myself Dipsika Singha, a trainee of Diet Kasar, Assam. Here I am going to speak about a novel character from the famous Moirang epic Khamba Thoibi of Meitei culture, Khamnu, the elder sister of the main protagonist, Khamba, who is often remembered as the epitome of unconditional love, care, endurance, and for her sacrifice. After the death of their parents, she took the roles of both mothers and guardians, raising Khamba with so much love. She was also one of the guardians that saved the characters of Khamba, whose latter was known for his strength, bravery, and honesty. Khamnu Khamba animang ningthau nganba angamba khoman purinbagi machani, mamana ngangkhare makawi. Khamnu na lutong samsi khaglinge kumlang na da chilinge Khamba na khomlang mahau kaudringe palem banthau animakaina ki. Mama apa leijatrabi Khamba Khamnu Moirang Chauba Thonglen Anina Machadagisu Hena Luna Yoki Adubu Chingu Tangjingi Nongdambana Pikliba Khambana Migi Masai Tanglamba Pamlamde Kappagi Loiba Naidamde Masina Maram Oiduna Pikliba Khamnuna Maupabu Puduna Mapabungi Sangaida Laki Pikliba Khamnuna Machin Maupagi Chara Tamnabagi Damakta Loktakta Kumduna Chana Bathidami Ahingi Matamda Khambana mapuk lamna kablakpa matamda maupabu poduna yumdong khudingda khomlang inbinaba nonjaki adubu thong hangdokpiraktabasu kongaini nongmu mapana loiramba san ngangbi ningthi pamhaibana thangnaba yumgi ingkhol namkhaiduna charubagi khamnubu kautuna jaibiki maduda natana manamda poliba mapagi nahongbusu chingki maram aduna nahongdu nanthokduna Khamba leimaida taduna kanna kaplami Maupagi mataudu ubada Khamnuna nongsa machagumna thangarakpa punngangki aduga sanduku hoiraga puraklami ꯁꯖꯤꯛ ꯈꯔ ꯈꯥꯎꯔꯒ ꯁꯟ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯄꯤꯖꯅ ꯈꯝꯅꯨꯅ ꯀꯞꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯈꯤ, "ꯏꯄꯥ, ꯅꯪꯕꯨ ꯅꯆꯥꯅ ꯂꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯖꯗꯦ꯫ ꯅꯆꯥꯕꯨ ꯋꯥꯔꯧꯕꯤꯅꯨ, ꯅꯅꯤꯡ ꯅꯈꯥ ꯇꯝꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯔꯥꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯞꯅ ꯆꯥꯛꯇꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯨꯔꯣ." ꯃꯤꯔꯣꯟ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯇꯧꯅ ꯁꯟ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯃꯣꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯊꯥꯞꯅ ꯆꯠꯈꯤ꯫ ꯈꯝꯕ ꯈꯝꯅꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕꯕꯨ ꯎꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕꯅ ꯆꯤꯡꯉꯨ ꯊꯥꯡꯖꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯄꯥꯕꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯞ ꯀꯕꯨꯏ ꯁꯂꯥꯡ ꯃꯥꯏꯕꯕꯨ ꯊꯥꯔꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯃꯆꯤꯟ ꯃꯧꯄꯥꯕꯨ ꯃꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯄꯨꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯣꯛꯈꯤ꯫ ꯀꯕꯨꯏ ꯁꯂꯥꯡ ꯃꯥꯏꯕꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯅꯤꯕꯨ ꯃꯆꯥꯒꯨꯝꯅ ꯂꯨꯅ ꯆꯥꯟꯅ ꯇꯧꯈꯤ꯫ ꯑꯗꯨꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨꯁꯨ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯅ ꯌꯣꯛꯈꯤ꯫ ꯃꯗꯨꯗ ꯈꯝꯅꯨꯒꯤ ಮಿꯠꯂꯨ ꯄꯤꯔꯥꯡ ꯀꯪꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯥꯏꯊꯣꯡ ꯃꯀꯥ ꯂꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯈꯤ꯫ Thank you very much for listening.
Namaskar, this is KB Chitra Devi, DLED trainee of second semester. Today I am going to recite a self-composed poem which is based on our motherland, India. The name of the poem is Bharat Ima. Bharat Ima Ningthibi, Pokna Lamdam, O Lamnungshi, Nangi Leikonda Sachaba, Laibak Faida Ikhoise, Pangal Sonbani Haiduna, Jekna Kalak Kuttagi, Chahi Chamahen, Kanglamba, Maichak Shingdubu, Mioibana Kaubangamloi. Ima Lebak Asibu Kannabai Damakta, Jati Dharma Kayana, Thangsang Nungmei Paiki, Gandhi, Nehru, Tikendra, Vivekanand Gumba, Mahapurush Kayana, Imagi Sana Khuyada, Imagi Damak Lipkiba, Limna Mankide, Matik Magun Lejabi, Bharat Ima, Nangi Sana Lebak Asida, Hanna Hanna Pukchage, Hanna Hanna Sijage.
Khurumjari. I am TH Pratibha Devi, studying in second semester, Diet Kachar Udarbon. Today I am going to deliver a beautiful Manipuri poem titled Maitei Chanu, written by Lamabam Kamal Singha. This poem highlights the dignity, strength and role of Meitei women in society. The poet describes how Meitei Chanu preserved culture, literature and tradition through her hard work, wisdom and courage. So now let us listen attentively to the poem that I am going to deliver. Meitei Chanu. Matam kuinagi tungda lingsilakle ima Meitei Chanu, Meitei Sahitya Mandir manungda. Yendai thanna leihaptuna, katlusi imagi khuyada. Lei thinanabagi damakta, natte athapa umangda chatkadaba, natte awangba upal kagadaba. Inak nakpada, khutna lamba phangba, thirusi pukning leikolda. Pukning leikolda satpa leirang hektuna, lingjil manabagi langna lengduna, khangba kanbagi yendaida haptuna, katlusi imagi khuyada. Kumbi kalen naidana satpa leigi char thirusi, tharusi mandirgi akoibada, makhong inghansi mikki pi ifutna. Kangkrasanu amangba hakchangna, lehausanu pukningi leiramdu, sathausanu tagup-tagupna, matri mandirgi akoibada. Meiteigi lampakta hauba leirang, tharusanu samudra wangmadasu, satlusanu Bharatki Bisya Vidyaloida, karigi ngamloidage lei parengna tatrabadi. This beautiful poem reminds us of the strength and dignity of Meitei women. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Nargis Sultana Chaudhuri, a second semester DLED trainee of Diet Kachar Udarbon. Today I am going to present a poem on a brave son of India, Bir Tikendrajit. This poem titled Shahid Numit is written by poet Konsam Tonu Gopal Singha. It pays tribute to Bir Tikendrajit, who sacrificed his life on 13 August for the freedom of his motherland. And now I will recite the poem dedicated to his supreme sacrifice and undying courage. Shahid Numit. August thagi 16 suba Bharat Jatigi Shahid Numit. Amar oiri Bharat itihasda Bir Tikendra Athoiba, Ipu Thangal Athauba, Manipurgi Ningtamba Landa, Nokna Fasi Kongoi Hukhiba, Kachari Shraddhanjali Nahoigi Atmada, Lausin Biyuko He Bir Atma, Nongpok Atyagi Drubbatara, Bhagirathi Jelna Sagar Atmabu, sargalokta tilhankhibagum bir nahoibu kainabada napari namomgi mitlu laijana maitai imagi amrita khomlang dharana nahoigi atma sargalokta chilhankre dhoinani nahoigi punsi bir nahoigi atma huti mafamdo tirtha bhumi oiri bharat jatigi kachari puspanjali he bir atma ngasi akanbana asonbabu laknari aranbana asonbabu laknari aranbana achumbabu namhatli hingsana hingsabu sumhatli adubu santi laipak semnanaba premgi amrita dhara khiknanaba maitai imagi garvanungda hanna avatar tobikho khuramjari he bir atma adungai Kurukhetra lanfamda Bhismadronda Brahmalokta thupkiba aduga maitai imabu launamba Lesna Minai Yohi langna punkhiba punamak he kal nangi akanba khongleira adubu taibang miyoi khibikna kal nangi iraida iraknaraga ningamdraba wakhanna solido kaungamdraba maichakna laurido ha tikendra ha thangal Jai Manipur. Thank you.
Khuramjari. My name is Sarangthem Sonia Singha. I am a trainee of DIET Kachar Udarbon in second semester. So today I am going to present the poem Ima Loktak, which is based on the beautiful Loktak Lake of Manipur. The poem describes the natural beauty and importance of Loktak Lake, the largest freshwater lake in Manipur. The poet calls it Ima Loktak, showing deep love and respect. It highlights how Loktak provides life, food, and shelter to the people. The lake is surrounded by hills, floating islands like fumdis, birds, and fishes, making it a gift of nature. The poem expresses gratitude towards Loktak, which is like a caring mother, nurturing and protecting everyone. Ima Loktak Nangdi Mingselni Lamdamsigi Lemjana Famni Nangdi Aikhoigi Saktakli Aikhoibu Malem Sida Puwarina Saki Oiduna Ho Ima Nungsibi Loktak Nangi Mahausagi Khudolda Tangjeri Punsi Kaya Amana Nangi Khongchetki Marumda Hingli Thawai Kaya Kaya Ho Ima Nungsibi Loktak Nangbu Sonari Malemna Nangbu Kalaknari Taibangna Nangi Damak Chauthokchari Aikhoina Charol Surol Kaya Dasu Ima Nangi Damak Hingkhigani Loktak Ima Nungsibi Nacha Singna Nangbu Khankhigani Ho Ima Nungsibi Loktak Thagachari
Mayambu Ikopnona Khurumjari. Hello everyone, myself S. Rohit Kumar Singha. Today I will be reciting a Manipuri poem titled Ima Nangi Naraibak. This poem reflects on the Meitei language, how it is often neglected by its own people. Through this poem, I wish to encourage everyone to value, preserve and work for the development of our beautiful Meitei language. Saireng asi haujarage. Saireng asigi maming Ima Nangi Naraibak. Kaisu khangdriba kanasu khangnadringai tinga kok oirami lausingda gyanda. Ngasidi chaurak sanglaktuna khangledo uredo pumnamak. Meitei lonna sitharakpa, Meitei lonna mangtharakpa. Ngalammido Meitei lonna mangal thokna numit thagum. Mamsilakle ngasidi grahan lakpagum. Leirammido mama ningba macha kaya. Ngasina pumnamak oijaba thibagi marumda lot credo, mang credo. Ikha se krak krak chiktuna khanglam badagi yaraktaduna aroiba sakti thaduna laurabani. He Meitei machana khoi pumnamak kadaida lot khre kadomda mang khre. Apokpi imabu nungsidribado. Ima Nangi Naraibak se onthokna thiko. Nacha lising lising laina leitabagum tawi. Nacha singdi ngasidi migi lantabu asengba maral ni khan credo. Asingba landi khunbi naba leitabana taduna leire leimai thakta. Wadaba ngamde imagi khanbada. Chaina phanglaba ima nahakpu mipai rakle kupsilakpasida nahaki hakchang pumba ꯃꯩꯔꯤ ꯃꯆꯨꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯖꯣꯜꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣꯅꯦ ꯑꯄꯣꯛꯄꯤ ꯏꯃꯥꯕꯨ ꯊꯧꯁꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯔꯦꯝꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯪꯒꯅꯤꯅꯦ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯆꯩꯅꯥ ꯑꯄꯣꯛꯄꯤ ꯏꯃꯥꯕꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ ꯍꯦ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯃꯆꯥꯎ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯤꯔꯣꯜ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯉꯔꯥꯡꯇ ꯂꯦꯡꯃꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯆꯠꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯝꯕ ꯅꯦꯄꯥꯂꯤ ꯀꯣꯡꯀꯥꯅꯤ ꯁꯟꯇꯥꯂꯤ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯀꯌꯥꯁꯨ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣꯅꯦ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯇꯨꯝꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯀꯞ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯣ ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯁꯛꯇꯤ ꯊꯥꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯅꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯨꯝꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯅꯨ ꯇꯨꯝꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯅꯦ ꯍꯧꯒꯠꯂꯣ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯂꯁꯤꯅꯦ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯏꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯁꯤꯅꯦ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯏꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯂꯣꯟꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯅꯕ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝ ꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯊꯨꯡꯅ ꯈꯪꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯁꯤ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯕꯨ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ
ꯈꯨꯔꯨꯝꯖꯔꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯄꯨ myself L Vijeta Devi 4th semester DLED trainee Diet Kachar Udarbon. Today I am going to speak about our festival Ningol Chakouba. Ningol Chakouba is one of the most important and beautiful festival of the Manipuri people, which falls on the second lunar day of the Manipuri calendar's Hyangaiman. Ningol means married woman and Chakouba means invitation for feast. So, the festival is the one where the married women are invited to their parents' home for a feast. It strengthens the bond of affection among the brothers and sisters, daughters and parents of a family. Ningol Chakouba. Ningol Chakouba tawdringagi matamda Ningol singna piba Chakoubagi chatnabi ama leirami haibasi Manipurda ningthau oina pankhiba nongda lairen pakhangbagi matamdagi haudoki haina thajanai. Nongda lairen pakhangbagi loinabi laisna amadi mabung poreiton machin manau matam kuina unadrabagi tungda nongma laisnana mabung poreitongi lau yaiba yengba lakpa matamda poreitonga thengnarami. Matam kuina unadrabagi tungda machin manau unabaduda Poreitona machal laisnagi chanaba haiduna cheng angouba khara cheng chakhau khara amadi lafoi laisnada poreitona machalgi chanabani haiduna khudol dami machil manau kuina unarudrabani haiduna machal laisnana mabung poreitonda chaklen amatang chaminanaba haiduna chak kaujai masibu piba chakouba hairaga khangnai masigi matungda Chandrakirti ningthauna panda matamda Ningolna piba Chakouba asi khudongchadaba mayam thengnarakpa haibadi leibaki ningthau macha masusingna sana konung thaduklaga Ningol singi mayumda Chakouba chatpagi khudongchadaba kyamarum lerami adubu hariba khudongchadaba sing asi kharata oirabasu koknaba haiduna Chandrakirti ningthauna panba matamda Ningol singna piba Chakoubagi mahutta piba singna Ningol sing asi piba singi sangaida chak kauduna Ningol Chakoubagi chatnabi asi haudoki Ningol Chakouba chahi khudingi hiyangagi nini panba numitta pangthokpa harau kumhai amani. Ningol Chakoubagi nungairaba numit asida mayum pankhrabi Ningol singna mahaki imung manungi miwoi sing mama mapa mabung maupa machal machi singa unaragani haibagi pungning nungsiningai oiraba amadi nungaiba wakhalga loinana mapam lamdamda lai. Numit asida Ningol oibijingna fazaraba chatnabigi fijet leiting setuna acha athak kaya marum puraktuna imung manungi miwoi singa yenaduna chaminaduna hana mahakna mabung maupa mache machal sing amadi mama mapagi manakta leiringaida thokiba nungsiraba thaudok sing ningsingduna harau minok tamine Ningol Chakoubagi harau kumhai asi yumthong khudingi imung manungi miwoi singna mayum pankhrabi macha Ningol amadi machi machal singbu harau nungaibaga loinana unaba amadi okpagi haurang nangaijarakpa numit amani Ningol Chakoubagi numit asida imung manungi miwoi singna makhalgi mathel lukoi thongduna chara chaklen chaminaraba matungda mama mapa amadi mabung maupa singna macha Ningol amadi mache machel singi mafamda angamba khudol pot tamduna harau nungaiba punsi oinabagi yaifa thaujal pinai Ningol Chakouba na mabung maupa amadi mache machel oibi singi marakta amatta oibagi langlana chetna kisinduna nungsi janaba hengathalle Thank you.
Pumnamapu Khurumzari. My name is T.H. Birchandra Singha. Today, I'm going to sing a famous Manipuri folk song. The name of the song is Chingda Satpi Ingelei. The song is dedicated to a flower called Ingelei. The Ingelei is a flower which grows in the hills, but it's often wasted by the wind before it can be worn by a maiden. Hey, hayya ha ha hayya hayya Jing de shanti inge lay chi na da na kin khi bơ ho cơ lơ ho cơ lơ kala ide aina kende do malang bana hum bagi ho kin bani ho kin bani kin bani de malang ba ai shu kai dau de malang ba ai shu kai dau de Sadui na yang jen marakta Singin na mama sambara Lairang na laiko loi bagi ho Kin bani ho Kin bani Kin bani de Ho numidang wairam gina matam ni Ho numidang wairam gina tanjani Ha numinaga chingya na thangbada Tam ya kuri na chilakpa ho 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 maram nagalam le na madaima Kwag tay nung sit na nami ba Kwag tagin nung sit na nami ba Ho malang ba naliri na humbani Nuragi samlang buhugad pa Ho 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 layrang nagalay sa putam lagle Ho singil nagalay sa putam lagle Haraw re hanungai re Haraw mathoi karakle nungai mapal sarakle Haraw mathoi karakle nungai mapal sarakle Sibuda thoi na haraw ba Sibuda he na nungai ba Laibara laibanida Laibara laibanida Hau ha haya nasida Hau ha haya nasida Oh haya nasida Oh haya nasida Thank you.
Khurramjari Mayambu. Myself S. Kabita Singha, 4th semester DLED trainee from Diet Kachar, Udharban. Today, I feel truly honored to speak on Nupilan, the Women's War of Manipur. This historic movement took place twice, in 1904 and in 1939. It was more than a protest. It was the voice of Manipuri women rising with courage and unity. Their bravery will inspire and encourages women everywhere to stand strong against injustice. Ahanba amasung anisuba nupilan karamna thoki haibadu samlapna wafam kharadang haijage mayam punna taminasi. Mahousa yam ngalingay matamdagi hauna Manipur khunayda nupi oibisingna maru oiba thaudang lauduna lakli. Masimagna puwarigi lamayda nupisingi achauba mafam ama kanduna thamba ngamlibani. Kumja lisingmaga chamapanga marida Maitegi mathauna maringjengbu manghannaba British singna praja singbu otne birami. Asigumba lengak moong tadringay talaksida. Maitei macha singna British agent singi mayum may thai haibagi damak nipa singbu yum singhannaba tamthiraba chairak piraklaba matamda nipa oiba sing machin kangthokpa ngamdana leikhi. Chiraba tanja asida Maitei nupi singna hupna chongthoktuna British ki mayokta lalhoduna nipa singi mathakta thamlamba British ki sajai namduna lauthokhi. Asigumba Maitei nupi singi laman khunai sida singamdana leiragani. Manipurda ani suba nupilan Krista lisingmaga chamapan kuntramapan gi December tang 12 da thokhi. Manipur mahousadagi faucheng marang kaina thoktuna watta padana leirakpa lamdamni. Adubu nongma nongmagi chak tangba henjilaktuna cheng wanfam phanglaktaba leibak ama oirakhi. Yum pubi ima iben singna fau kadaida lotkre haiduna koithi thiba hauki. Senjau paiba singna ahongba mamalda fau wansillaga milda cheng takthoktuna mapa leibakta thadoktuna sendong chawna tansile haiba khangba ngamki. Iba iben mayamna Manipurda chengi mil thambiganu Manipurgi cheng mapana thadokpiganu haina haijarubada mathang phamnaiba amana amada thangdok thangjin tawrami. Khoisaunaraba ima iben singna ingkumja lisingmaga chamapanga kuntramapangi December tang 12 da Manipur State Darbar Kaushinduna British agent ki mafamda cheng thingbinaba haijaki. Maduda British agent aduna Nabadipta lengkhiba Sri Jud Churachan Maharaj ki sanaya thang yaudana hukum haidokpa ngamde hairakhi. Pendabagi maichakna chakliba ima singna British agent adu faraga haujikmak telegram tau haina dagharda purakhi. British agent na dagharda changkhraga sipai mangaikhi. Matungda sipahi mayam laktuna nupi mayam adu tankharakhi. Thauna fabi Maitei ima iben singna sipai singa nupi mayam adu tankharakhi. Thauna fabi Maitei ima iben singna sipai singna intharakpada ima iben kaya sangina sokhi. Maitei nupi kayana fau taknaba mil kaya thugaikhi. Asumna Manipurgi itihasta anisuba nupilan thokhi. Mirol khudingi nupisingna nupilangi thauna phabi ima singi warina thauna haptuna laklibani. Nupisingi thaunagi mangal langba helakli. Lining laison manadaba chakcha furup tinadaba khudingi nupisingbu ihau ama lakpa matamda thauna fana punna lepinabagi thauna su hapli. Thank you.
Kuramjari. Hello everyone, I'm PH Binaya Singha, a 4th semester trainee from DIET Kachar Udharban. Today, I feel delighted to present a beautiful poem called Pi Thadoi, written by a renowned poet Khairakpam Chauba Singha. The poem is about the Pi Thadoi bird whose melodious and emotional song is said to be the voice of Nongban, a character from the legendary tale of Khamba and Thoibi. Through its song, the poet reminds us of love, sorrow, and timeless beauty. Now, let me share this beautiful poem with you. Pi Thadoi. Chekla nangbu kanano, lamdam kaidabu khongbano, ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕ ꯅꯈꯣꯟꯗ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯎꯐꯩꯗ ꯇꯣꯡꯕꯔꯥ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯗꯣꯟ ꯊꯛꯇ ꯁꯛꯄꯔꯥ ꯁꯨꯝꯍꯠꯂꯦ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕ ꯈꯣꯟꯖꯦꯜꯅ ꯕꯁꯟꯇ ꯔꯤꯇꯨ ꯌꯧꯔꯛꯂꯦ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝ ꯉꯧꯅ ꯃꯥꯜꯍꯧꯅꯔꯦ ꯆꯦꯛꯂꯥ ꯅꯍꯥꯛꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯕꯔꯥ ꯑꯄꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯅꯕꯔꯥ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯛ ꯊꯤꯕ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊ꯭ꯋꯤ ꯊꯨꯡꯅ ꯀꯣꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯤꯡꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯈꯣꯟꯖꯦꯜꯅ ꯍꯤꯛꯅ ꯅꯧꯕ ꯈꯣꯟꯊꯥꯡꯅ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯏ ꯀꯅꯥꯕꯨ ꯀꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯤ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯏ ꯄꯤ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯏ 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 ꯄꯤ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯏ ꯀꯅꯥ ꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯂꯥꯡꯒꯦ ꯉꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯩꯈꯨ ꯂꯥꯡꯕ ꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯧꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯅꯕꯤꯅꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯀꯥꯜꯗ ꯋꯥꯕ ꯃꯂꯌꯥ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯠ ꯅꯥꯝꯃꯤꯕꯅ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝ ꯊꯨꯡꯅ ꯍꯨꯝꯂꯛꯄꯗ ꯈꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯩꯔꯤ ꯍꯦꯜꯂꯤꯗ ꯄꯣꯝꯕꯤ ꯆꯦꯛꯂꯥ ꯆꯤꯂꯣꯛꯅꯅ ꯐꯩꯔꯥ ꯊꯛꯇ ꯈꯣꯡꯂꯛꯄ ꯋꯥꯔꯕ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯛꯅꯕꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯂꯦ ꯆꯦꯛꯂꯥ ꯈꯪꯖꯔꯦ ꯀꯧꯈꯣꯅ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯄꯦꯟꯅ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯏ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯏ ꯄꯤ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯏ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯨꯕꯤ ꯅꯁꯥꯕꯤ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯈꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯇꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯦꯟꯈꯔꯦ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯛ ꯊꯤꯕꯤ ꯆꯦꯛꯂꯥꯑꯣ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊ꯭ꯋꯤ ꯊꯨꯡꯅ ꯀꯣꯏꯗꯨꯅꯕꯣ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯕꯔꯥꯅꯦ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯏꯗꯨꯕꯣ ꯀꯨꯝꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯦꯔꯥꯈꯥꯗꯨꯗ ꯏꯇꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯧꯕꯗꯨꯅ ꯇꯥꯎꯖꯤꯡ ꯂꯃꯟ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕꯅꯤ ꯌꯥꯡꯒꯣꯏ ꯊꯧꯗꯨꯅ ꯆꯦꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯤ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯄꯣꯛꯄꯤ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯃꯤꯠꯇꯨꯅ ꯎꯔꯔꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯃꯟ ꯃꯌꯨꯝ ꯌꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯥꯕꯤ ꯃꯅꯥꯛ ꯇꯝꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯂ ꯎꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯁꯥ ꯕꯁꯟꯇꯗ ꯊꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯥꯡꯇ ꯈꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯁꯨꯛ ꯀꯨꯏꯅ ꯀꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯀꯧꯈꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯀꯧꯈꯣ ꯈꯣꯟꯖꯦꯜ ꯋꯥꯡꯅ ꯁꯛꯈꯣ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯏ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯅꯇꯧꯒꯨꯝꯅ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯤꯛ ꯃꯇꯪ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯔꯝꯂꯕꯗꯤꯀꯣ ꯆꯦꯛꯂꯥ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝ ꯊꯨꯡꯅ ꯀꯣꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯤꯡꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯈꯣꯟꯖꯦꯜꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯤ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯏ ꯀꯅꯥꯕꯨ ꯀꯧꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯄꯦꯟꯅ ꯄꯦꯟꯅ ꯁꯛꯂꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯂꯥꯎꯅ ꯂꯥꯎꯅ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯏ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯕꯁꯟꯇ ꯔꯤꯇꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯥꯡ ꯐꯤꯖꯦꯠꯅꯔꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯅ ꯅꯤꯜꯂꯦ ꯆꯦꯛꯂꯥꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯈꯣꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯈꯣꯏꯁꯥꯎꯅꯔꯦ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯇꯌꯥꯡ ꯇꯁꯣꯏꯅꯔꯦ ꯀꯧꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅ ꯀꯅꯥꯅꯣ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯄꯣꯛꯄꯤꯅ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕ ꯈꯣꯏꯔꯦꯟ ꯇꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯂꯝꯌꯥꯏꯗ ꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯀꯩꯔꯦꯟꯅ ꯁꯣꯛꯂꯕ ꯑꯥꯠꯃꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯧꯒꯨꯝꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛꯇꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤꯅ ꯀꯧꯍꯣ ꯀꯧꯍꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯂꯤ ꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯇꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯪꯂꯥꯛꯅꯕ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕꯅ ꯉꯥꯡꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕꯒꯨꯝ ꯉꯥꯡꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯅꯔꯤ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯁꯨꯝꯗ ꯈꯜꯂ ꯈꯜꯂ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯅ ꯍꯦꯜꯂꯦ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯊꯨꯝꯕ ꯔꯁꯇꯤ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔꯦ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯥꯎꯔꯕ ꯃꯔꯥꯏꯕꯛ ꯐꯔꯕ ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯤ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯡꯒꯨꯜ ꯂꯤꯕ ꯈꯪꯂꯦ ꯆꯦꯛꯂꯥ ꯈꯪꯖꯔꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤꯅ ꯊꯥꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯅꯪꯁꯦ ꯇꯝꯕꯤꯅꯕ ꯕꯤꯁ꯭ꯋ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯝ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯇꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯗꯗꯤ ꯇꯝꯂꯤꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯏꯔꯥꯇꯝ ꯈꯤꯛꯊꯕꯤꯔꯦ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝ ꯊꯨꯡꯅ ꯏꯪꯍꯟꯕꯤꯔꯦ ꯃꯤꯄꯨꯝ ꯇꯤꯡꯅ ꯐꯪꯍꯜꯂꯦ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ
Khurumjari Mayam. My name is K. Sarita Singha, second semester DLED trainee of Diet Kachar Udharbon. Today I am going to recite a Manipuri poem called Pognafam Lamdam, written by Chingakham Mayurdhwaj Singh. Pognafam Lamdam means birthplace or native land. The poem Pognafam Lamdam highlights the deep love and pride the Manipuri people feel for their birthplace and native land. The poem also expresses an emotional bond between the people and their birthplace, showing that no matter where one goes, the native land always holds a special place in the heart. It inspires everyone to respect, preserve, and cherish their homeland with pride. Pognafam Lamdam haiba seireng asi Kabina ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯔꯩꯄꯥꯛ ꯄꯣꯛꯅꯐꯝ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯕꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯩꯊꯥꯕ ꯁꯩꯔꯦꯡꯅꯤ. ꯄꯣꯛꯅꯐꯝ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯤꯔꯕꯤ ꯅꯨꯖꯥꯒꯤ ꯉꯛꯇ ꯁꯤꯕ ꯂꯩꯇꯦꯡꯒꯤ ꯁꯅꯥ ꯂꯤꯛꯐꯥꯡ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯊꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯒꯨꯝ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯤꯕ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯗ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝ ꯂꯩꯀꯣꯜꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗ. ꯄ꯭ꯔꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯐꯝ ꯐꯖꯕꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯅꯐꯝ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯨꯡꯅꯐꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯛꯅꯐꯝ ꯃꯐꯝꯅꯤꯗꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯦꯗ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯁꯨꯗꯦ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝꯗ. ꯃꯤꯔꯩꯕꯥꯛꯇ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯐꯖꯕꯅ ꯇꯤꯜꯂꯕ ꯐꯨꯔꯥ ꯗꯂꯥꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯇꯦꯡꯕ ꯁꯅꯥ ꯂꯨꯄꯥꯅ ꯊꯜꯂꯕ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯤꯕ ꯗꯦꯁꯇ ꯂꯩꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯥꯎꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯅꯤ.
ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧ ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯂꯥꯟꯗꯥꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯥꯕꯨ ꯉꯥꯛꯀꯦ ꯅꯤꯡꯗꯅ ꯏꯔꯥꯏ ꯂꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯀꯅꯥ ꯂꯩꯔꯣꯏꯗ? ꯌꯨꯝꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯇꯨꯡꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯟꯐꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯏ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯌꯦꯛꯅꯕ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛ ꯌꯥꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯟꯗ ꯊꯋꯥꯏ ꯊꯥꯕꯗ ꯆꯤꯡꯅꯕ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯣꯏꯗ? ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝꯗ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯁꯨꯗꯕ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯅꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯒꯨꯟ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯣꯏ ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯔꯒꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯕꯤꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ꯫ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯃꯜꯂꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯅꯣ ꯊꯤꯔꯒ ꯍꯪꯉꯨꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯗ ꯇꯥꯛꯆꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯛꯇ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯅꯤꯡꯅꯐꯝ ꯄꯣꯛꯅꯐꯝ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ꯫ Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Moushumi Begum Chaudhary, a DLED trainee of 4th semester, Diet Kachar Udarbon. I am very delighted to share a poem written by Khoirakpam Chauba Singha. In this poem, Khoirakpam Chauba Singha answers those who once called the Meitei language poor with faith and passion. He declares that Meitei poets will rise, carrying the beauty and strength of their mother tongue. It is more than a poem, it reminds us to love our roots, to cherish our identity, to respect our culture, and to believe that the voice of Meitei poetry will never fade. A timeless echo of pride and hope. It still inspires our hearts today. So the poem goes like this. Meitei Kabi Narakta Satpa Leirangna Nambinaba Yaudana Arembada Kenbagum Iyaida Lutpa Manina Yengbinaba Leitana Arembada Nganbagum Chingna Koina Pansaba Hauna Koina Panapa Manipur Sana Leipakna Arembada Ngalami Arembada Satlami Kambinaba Leitana Wakal Asi Khanbada Ahing Nunthil Anida Awabana Fambangnai Gomukhigi Napunda Bhagirathi Gangana Ichel Fangna Chenbagum Thamoi Lakanunduda Sintharakpa Leizana Mitlugi Napum Thumnari Nachagi Pambum Chaudringai Palemgi Nungshiba Khangdringai Imagi Seba Ngamnamdri Palem Sakpi Imao Tollaba Nacha Aikoina Kujeng Paloina Duna Yakaironbu Khangzage Lairaba Nachana Premgi Dhara Nattana Kacchaningai Leizade Thamoigi Lakanungduda Bhaktigi Ashan Mathakta Lengsinbiyu Palemo Punsigi Mitkup Khudingda Kuya Kabu Kaudaba Pinabiyu Imao Lairabi Iruni Khangdabana Haibani Meitei Kabi Lakini Meitei Kabi Lakini Sarat Kithaban Aruba Kalen Leirang Phasaba Kabigi Harauna Famni Palem Ningba Inausha Korbak Mangdatha Korzai Kuttapai Palem Gining Thiba Khotchil Hau Mapugi Thauzal Fanglaba Asigumba Lamdamse Kabigi Pokna Famnido Ichin Inau Pumnamak Lichin Amatta Oinaduna Palem Gilaman Kumnaba Lavsingi Thaumai Thansanu Imagi Seba Tausanu Meitei Kabi Lakini Meitei Kabi Lakini. Thank you everyone for listening.
Hello everyone, I am F. Kavita Singha. Today I will present a Manipuri poem titled Nonghau. The word Nonghau means a sudden fall of rain. In this poem, the rain is shown as a symbol of hope, a rain that can wash away the ongoing corruption in our society and cleanse the life of our people. I hope you will listen and enjoy it. So, let's start the poem. Nonghau Chaktheklaba maibu muthatlage matagum chamthoklage matagum ihourakliba kumgi nonghau Malem thaki mitrang se ubada warabara nahakpu warauribra natraga lepa leitribadi khambagi pangal sulaitre soinairaba punsina naning tamlo Nong o churo hanuba hanubi tautharo nong o churo Mihauraba mioiba penba naidraba ningthaurel haugatpa ngamdraba manaising kumhai yengleba prajasing sanari lila mitki lila kananabu oiriba lila mako yengba tai aroiba pankai phauba kumhai yengbatani nahakidi
Ahanba maktada mayam punomaku ikokno khurumjari. This is S. Indrajit Singha presenting you a song, and the name of the song is Ho Ima Pokna Pamima. Ho Ima Pokna Pamima Leite Heima Koi na thidu na lap na chattu Bumbi panglo Ima Ho Ima Pokna Pamima Bumbi leite heima Koi na thidu na lap na chattu Bumbi panglo Ima Ahing thil anida Nambu kanjai karam pilhan kami Ahing thil anida Nambu kanjai karam pilhan gani Nung lay nuksi aki tujunglan Ninghan na jaroy ne ima Nang naupiyo Apam batapiyo Ay paglay gung kang jagini Nung lay nuksi aki tujunglan Ninghan na jaroy ne ima Nang naupiyo Apam batapiyo Lay paglay gung kang jagini Awana pumba Pugla siya